Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. So are you enjoying a lot of mangoes this summer? So apart from enjoying the fruit, we can also make a lot of dishes using the mango pulp. Today I'm going to make ampuas, malpuas with the mango pulp. They are really very delicious and they can be made in a jiffy. It hardly takes any time, 15 minutes flat and the dish is ready. You can enjoy it for breakfast and even the kids are going to love them. So let's go and make malpuas with mango pulp. We have 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon milk powder, quarter teaspoon cardamom powder, 2-3 pinches of baking powder, and mango pulp as required. I'll be using about 3/4 cup. Oil for frying. Now in a large mixing bowl, take the flour, add the cardamom powder, baking powder, sugar, milk powder. Mix everything together. This is one of the easiest snack made in a jiffy. Now add the mango pulp as required. Here I have taken about 3/4 cup. I think that should be sufficient. We'll add little more water later. You could add milk also, but then here since we have added milk powder, I'll be adding water to make the batter. First add half cup of water. Mix everything, avoiding all the lumps, the back of the spoon. Now add more water, half cup more, or as required. First stir it with a spoon so that everything mixes well. Now we will be taking a balloon whisk and whisking it. This way the batter will become very smooth and light. Whisk it nicely for about a couple of minutes. See, now it has come to the pouring consistency. Now heat oil in a flat bottomed pan. First heat it very well and then reduce the flame. Now with a ladle, pour the batter into the pan. I'm making smaller malpuas. The size depends on you. If you like larger ones, you can pour more batter. Now on the medium flame, continue frying the malpuas. Keep turning them from time to time so that they get fried evenly. The color looks lovely, nice and yellow. They are really flavorful with the mango flavor. The malpuas are really very delicious. Now they are almost done. Time to remove them. Drain out the oil and remove them on the kitchen tissue paper. Before serving, if you want, you can Garnish them also with pistachios, finely sliced pistachios. These malpuas are very delicious, friends. Do make them. This is the mango season. We should enjoy the mango recipes. Place them in the serving platter and garnish them with finely chopped pistachios like. From this quantity you can make about 12 to 14 malpuas. So friends, make and enjoy them.